Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to create a shared Google Calendar. First thing first, launch a browser, type in calendar.google.com and get logged into your account. Let's make it switch to week. For that, select this button, select week. Now you will have to create yourself a new calendar. For that, from your left hand side, you will see this My Calendar. If you scroll below, you will also see other calendar. So click on the plus button, select Create a New Calendar. And then you can give it any name that you would like. I'm going to give it a theme name. You can also type in description if you would like. Time here, select Create Calendar. And once this has been saved, you have to go back to your main calendar. So let's go ahead and click on this button once this is saved. And now once you have created it, you will see it under My Calendar. Let's go ahead and share this with people. For that, make sure this is checked. Select three-dot icon, select Settings and Sharing. And here you will see Get Shareable Link. Go ahead, select this, copy the link, and share it to whoever that you would like. And once it is so, you can go ahead and create the meeting and everybody will see it. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.